We recently talked about using coconut oil on hair. Did you watch it? We were trying to find out if it could darken or lighten the hair. The fact is that coconut oil doesn't do either. It doesn't matter if your hair is dyed or natural. Coconut oil doesn't interfere with the color pigments. It's easy like this. The only things that can darken or lighten your hair are products made for it, both commercial or natural. In today's video, you will see a recipe with charcoal and coconut oil to hide gray hair. Coconut oil has antioxidant properties that strengthen the hair, stimulates the scalp to produce more hair, and leaves your hair more hydrated and glossier. Besides, it reduces split ends and frizz, improves blood circulation in the scalp, and creates a protective barrier against external damage, such as sunlight, chlorine, salt, chemicals, hair dryers, and flat irons. Charcoal helps remove dirt from the scalp, getting rid of dandruff and reducing flaking, itchiness, and irritation. It also unclogs the hair follicles, eliminating oiliness from the scalp, one of the main factors for hair loss. Unclogging the hair follicles helps with hair growth. Write down the ingredients. 10 activated charcoal pills. You can find them at drugstores. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1 tablespoon moisturizing hair cream. Directions. Macerate the pills into a powder. Add the coconut oil and hair cream and mix until smooth. Divide your hair into strands and apply the mixture with a brush. Let it act for 20 minutes, then rinse with shampoo to remove all residues. Apply hair conditioner to hydrate. If you have this problem, try the recipe and share your experience with us.